My name's Tony Roper, I'm at Test and Repair Apprentice. I don't think I really decided until I came here. I had my interview and then I got taken around on a tour of the shop floor, so I got to meet people, got a real feel of the culture and the feel for the place, and it just seemed like a really nice place to work. I think you need a genuine interest in engineering first of all, good communication skills, so you need to be able to communicate with your team well, enthusiastic, you've got to want to do what you're doing, and hands-on. The whole reason you're on the shop floor is because you're hands-on, you get to fix things and actually make a bit of a difference. There's a lot of varied products on the shop floor, so depending on what department you're working in will depend on what product it is, but so usually you'll get the product, test it, if it works, great, straight out the door. If it's got a failure, then we'll look at fault finding, so using oscilloscopes and other varied test equipment, trying to dive down, find out what the issue is. If we can solve it, great. If not, we go back, you can speak to a member of your team and they'll help you look at it further. So when I finish my apprenticeship, I hope to keep using my skills to add more value to my team and different projects.